Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jyoti, and
And this is Shruti.
yes,
And today,
we
I
are
think some
ready.
patake watake फूटने वाले हैं ना?
We're ready to roll up.
Nice. Are we also ready for the copyright claims then?
Oh yes,
Because
we are.
because roll up के साथ तो वही होने वाला है. गाना बाद में जाएगा, पहले copyright claim आ जाएगा. क्या करेंगे फिर? ऐसे
Bel
कैसे?
Believe me, we are ready for it. So I'm just gonna say that, guys, we might mute the audio of this song if we end up doing that because of copyright claim. Then आप दूसरे tab में खोल लेना गाना, ठीक है?
हाँ,
So
हाँ.
on that note, let's get to it. It's Krishna featuring Badshah.
So, Jojo, are you sure you want to listen to this song? Are you sure you're going to be non-biased and छुपो मत? ये
I
moment of truth. Come on, you know why I'm
do
saying
I
this, right?
do I
Do you
need to
know why
take?
I'm saying this?
Yes, yes, I know. I need to take
इतने
a
comments
shapat.
आ चुके हैं.
I
Yes. What is
know.
the shapat?
I promise to be fair, and I promise to not go in with a prejudiced mindset, and
Correct.
I promise to listen, give an honest review and my
Good.
honest thoughts at the end.
Yes. Yes. Let's see
Nice.
how much he
That's
sticks to
fine.
it.
Of course, I will. Vachan. I'm giving my vachan.
अच्छा, वेरी
Okay.
गुड. सी देखो कृष्णा ने एटलीस्ट पुल कर ही लिया कि बादशाह का गाना सुनना ही पड़ेगा. So now
Mm.
let's just listen to it and see. Maybe you will change your mind completely and you'll be like,
I
Badshah.
don't know about that, but let's give this
Let's
Ghana a
go for it.
shot.
Okay, done, done.
I'm just reading the credits and it says Chief
हाँ,
AD Akhil Sachdev. Is that the singer? That the singer Akhil Sachdev? Or is it Chief? I doubt it. Oh, sorry. Okay. Anyway,
चीफ एडी लिखा है ना, तो
uh,
असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर.
director. I know.
हाँ,
So
हाँ. I know your bad jokes. Shut up. Now come on. Let's
okay,
begin.
let's do it. Let's roll up.
हाँ,
Okay, one,
Yours.
two, three, play.
Kalamkar presents.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, nice. Hmm. Wakanda forever.
A film by Munish Shanti.
Sure.
It's done a good job. So Jojo, time to roll up. Let's
Okay.
talk about it.
Where do we start? Should we start with the video? We'll get to the lyrics
Yes.
at the end.
Yes.
Should we
Yes.
start with the video
Yes.
and then the music and then the
Yes.
lyrics? You know?
Ha. Ha.
So, styling is on point. Um, but can I just say that that full brown fur jacket on Bacha,
I knew it. I knew it. ये कुछ तो comment करने वाली है. एक. चलो ठीक है. एक allowed है. Go for it. Go for it.
he's looking like that cartoon, that walrus cartoon I saw once in a movie. Sorry.
But you have to agree that the moment he started rapping, suddenly it was like, wait, is that Bacha? Wait, what did he just do? Because Sara uska jo usual feel hai na, like usual thing that he comes across with and the way he was. Because Krishna was looking totally at ease with the whole, the whole rap video look. Okay, like, this is his zone. And then Bacha was there, and then suddenly, like, slowly, it was a very interesting way, the way the whole gangster feel was there, and then the whole Dilli wala, and beech mein jab unhone Piragadi bola, I was like, yes, that's it. In pura, they've gone like full Desi. Dilli may be Desi about it. So, like, which was
Yeah.
interesting. Yeah.
You'll have to
But-
explain that reference properly to me. I mean, I know it's an area in Delhi, but I didn't get
Yeah,
the
yeah.
full line. Yeah.
Nothing. So it is, it's
We'll-
more
we'll
about
get
ke
to-
how, we'll get to it. We'll get to it
we'll
later.
get to the lyrics. So, no, so the jokes aside, styling was on point.
Krishna is looking really good.
Dude,
right?
he's bringing it. He's really like fully like I own this space in the video.
Yeah, yeah.
He's not wearing his cap, which is caps.
So beef to nahi ho rahi ho, to pata hi hai.
No, but generally also he wears a lot of caps now, and
हाँ,
he's like, so the hair has been styled nicely, sunglasses are
Yeah.
happening, the beard
Fully
is
groomed
like
he's
fully
looking.
groomed,
Yes.
yeah,
Yeah.
and the
yeah.
clothes also, besides I think one shot, he's out of athleisure for a change, so that was nice, and the sets were nice. It was kind of like the sets and all were, we've seen that vibe before. The
Correct.
whole
Because
darker
focus
sets
was
were-
them, na?
yeah,
हाँ,
and it
मतलब
was
it's
more
like
about like I'm rolling up in my. So they had the big cars. They had
Yes.
the G wagon there. They had, I think, what was that? Was it a Jag or was it I don't know what it was. But yeah, so they had the fancy cars. They had the fancy clothes. They had all that you need to have to get the message across.
Right.
And comfort level in front of the camera, man, just up there
So
now.
I heard the song in two ways. Like one was the literal lyrical meaning, which is, when we roll up and everyone else is like gangster whatever and all, and then they're rolling up and the shishe are down and like, whole night they're chilling and all that. So one is literal, that they have come into the whole rap space and they are the bombs and like they are doing their stuff. And the other was literal rolling up. So like I could only think of like shisha down and them chilling and like they're talking about that. And I was like, good, yes. So there were like 2-3 layers that were coming out, and the lyrics were fitting perfectly in all three of those layers. That
Yeah,
I
I
was
didn't
thinking.
think of that. I didn't think of
I
that,
was-
but you could be right. However, he had said in his previous songs that he doesn't do any of that stuff, so we don't know. But yeah, whatever. It's
Yeah.
it could have
It's
two
chill vibes.
meanings.
Yeah. Yes.
But okay, so now the music, very chill. I
Yes.
really like the way it started with that. What is that? It's like that baby ka wo hota hai na, music that they play in the baby cot.
Cradle? In the cradle?
Yeah, what is
Huh,
that?
that
kind?
little-
I don't know. Parents will know.
Carousel music type.
Yeah.
Correct. But I know which that nursery rhyme type music.
It's called
Huh.
something, yeah. They put it on the
Ding
cot
dong.
and then it goes
Yeah.
round and round. It sounded like Uska music, which I really like because it was different.
Hmm.
And
I
people
also like how in the roll they literally rolled in the words. It's like roll up. Like I love that they did that. Yeah.
So I'm just pulling up the lyrics, but you tell me what are
Yes.
your thoughts on the music. It was just a very chill vibe Ghana, which I did not expect, honestly. The two of them coming together, I thought it would be more like hard, whatever. Sort of.
No, but
like,
they were like,
kinda
we don't
like
need to do
I
mad
was-
hard because हम तो chill हैं.
know,
हम तो like
but-
we own it already.
Yeah, maybe it was just in my head because I was expecting like a Bapse vibe. You know, the
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah.
but it was just The thing is, when
Correct.
you kind of arrive, then you're like, I'm chill now. I don't need to take stress.
Because see, for 1 second, can we just look at it as a joint song? Because even he like spoke that, like when he said, when I roll up, shishe niche pure night mein karo, right? Slow. So like, how could I not? There is roll up, there is shishe, there is like, so it's just
your
like,
mind is there only. We
kya
don't know.
kare?
Maybe you're
Like,
right.
nahi, my
We don't.
mind is not there. I'm just like listening to all of it. Also, when he said na that deep the vaste mere, I was thinking of Deep Kalsi. So
Yeah,
suddenly, like
same.
random double reference, hai na? So like,
Yeah.
yeah,
So no, but overall, I think the music worked. It's a chill
superb,
song. It's a drive song.
superb. Yeah,
It's
yeah.
got a vibe. Let's just quickly. You got the lyrics.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Let's go for it.
When I roll up, sare londe feke gang signs. Everybody knows when I roll up. By the way, Krishna singing the hook for a change. No one
Was
else
really
was
nice.
singing the hook. I mean,
Yeah.
he's got a singing voice as well.
Uh-huh.
That is freaking good. I mean, you could tell there's a slight auto tune there, or there's like layering happening, but it didn't sound
Odd to the ear. Like
it
it
didn't
actually
sound
sounded good.
yeah, it actually
Yeah.
sounded like him with just a
Yeah.
slight tinge of effect added.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I really like I loved that he sang the hook this time. I think he
Yeah.
should do it more often. Totally
Correct.
worked. Sare Londe Fenke gang signs, which by the way, it reminded me of the visual that came to me was him at the end of that freestyle. I think it was Tokyo Drift when he says doing it for my people, and
Yeah.
he gave like 3 like random like signs to the camera with both his hands. And when I watched that video again, I was like, "What is this? I don't understand. What are these signs?"
Yeah.
So anyway, what are gang signs that we don't know anything about? So you guys can tell us. Anyway,
Yeah.
so when I roll up, शीशे नीचे पूरे night में तो ride करूँ slow, ride करूँ slow. रोल अप नो डिफेक्ट आया जीत के स्ट्रीट से सीख ले इरादे मेरे डीप थे वास्ते मेरे भी इस संगीत से आई थिंक दीप कलसी came to both our minds no
Yeah.
streets
Yeah.
Atlantis है ये रैप गहरे नाते मेरे बीच से गहरा Atlantis ओके नाइस चीथड़े किए इनके लिए नहीं एहसान मैंने बोलते लिरिक्स रख सिंपल थोड़ा आराम ले ले आज उन्हीं लिरिक्स से बनाई है पहचान मैंने दारू वाला ने बेजान दारू वाला रेफरेंस ताने समझ में ना आए क्या बाल बाल बचे जैसे यहाँ कोई नाई था
Oh, so the
he
Daru
said
wala
nice
reference.
बेजान
Maybe.
दारू वाला
Yeah,
नहीं
and
पर
that's
छोड़ा
why later even Badshah said na कि यहाँ से whatever word reference के a हटा के पीछे लगाया, e हटा के आगे लगाया, all that. So the whole Bejan Daru wala reference is like continuing even over there. Sorry, continue.
oh is it I didn't get that okay ताने
Yeah,
समझ
numerology na, the whole numerologic angle के वो
oh he
word
used
के
to do
अंदर.
that
Yeah, Bejan Daru wala is all
I
about that.
thought he was astrologer / tarot reader
Correct.
I didn't know he was
And
numerologist
yeah.
oh, okay बाल बाल बच्चे जैसे यहाँ कोई नहीं था छुप छुप के चले चाल बीफ में कसाई का दिखे जरा फेम अब बनेगा तू भी भाई क्या मेरा दौर आया मूड हुआ खराब इनका होता अफसोस देख के मुझे यहाँ आज जिंदा पर सूखी
So
घास
album
में
name was also Daur, like there's a reference there, right? Mera Daur Aaya.
मेरा दौर whose album
There
was
was
that
album was called Naya Daur or something, na?
there's a
Or
movie
am I
called
getting
Naya
it?
Daur I
नहीं
think
वो तो था, but one of the albums or song was also called something Daur something.
oh
That's why या पता नहीं मेरे को cross connections are happening, but yeah, we'll figure.
okay पर सूखी घास okay मुझे चाहिए legacy तुझे कमाना 5 दिन का I love that line
Nice.
that's the difference between me and you मैंने सब बनाया खुद जैसे B&Q I didn't get this reference what is B&Q
I thought of barbecue, but then he said B&Q, and then I
सब
was
बनाए
like,
खुद if you guys know tell us
thank you.
साथ मेरे बादशाह गेड़ियां पूरी रात हाँ डॉलर साइन दिखे ज्यादा जैसे डाला है डाका nice then
Nice.
chorus okay then when I roll
There
up
was one
शीशे
point when they shifted into one Haryanvi accent also, right? Early in the start, he
didn't
shifted.
Badshah do that
No, Krishna.
I think you read Badshah's part it's a lot of
Okay.
words that I will
When I roll up, शीशे नीचे पूरी नाइट में तो राइड करो स्लो
हाँ.
डाले अपनी सिक्योरिटी गार्ड में कला कानपाड़ में दर्द जैसे दाढ़ में हाँ कानपाड़ इज ऑल्सो लाइक अ जगह राइट सो कानपाड़ में दर्द जैसे दाढ़ में उठा तूफान हो जैसे रेगिस्तान में तेंदुलकर शारजाह
1998
1998 I like 98 हाँ then wagon
so
wagon के
so
आगे से
I think Tendulkar Sharjah में खेला
correct
होगा in
हाँ
that
हाँ
year And that
And
must have
उसी दिन
been
तूफान आया रेगिस्तान में.
it must have
Correct.
been a sandstorm. Okay,
Correct. Then
fine.
वैगन के आगे से आर हटाया, पीछे लगा जी. Right?
G-Wagon.
And then पंजाबी में सीरा, like सिरा, and कराया लगा जी. जो चाहे मेरा एंड, मेरा
Oh,
पीछे लगा बी.
Sira ZY, so crazy. Karaya laga Z, laga crazy.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So this is the part where I meant the Bejan Daru wala thing. Like, you know how he's also spoken about it. He's also, but in such a awesome way, he's brought that in. वो चाहे मेरा end, मेरे पीछे लगा B. Verse ऐसे drop करी मैंने पीछे लगा रे. More like re.
That's like rewind. लेकिन
हाँ.
वो चाहे मेरा end, मेरा पीछे लगा B. What does this mean? मेरा end, मेरे पीछे लगा B. Oh.
I'm thinking of a bad word, but like maybe it is not. That's why I've been trying to be quiet. Maybe it is not. Maybe the meaning is completely something else. So yeah.
Okay. I'm thinking it means bend. B-E-N-D. मेरा पीछे लगा B. Okay, whatever. I don't know. Tell
वो
us.
चाहे मेरा end जैसे पीछे लगा तो I mean yeah, that's the whole
They
thing,
want
right?
me.
Like
Oh.
to bend over. That's what I'm trying to like.
Sorry. Oh, that's what you're getting at.
Well, not literally bad word. I just meant like the whole visual. I was trying not to be graphic.
Let's move on next. Okay.
सब नंबरों का गेम बॉय, व्यूज को मार गोली, आजा तू स्ट्रीम्स में. फोर्ब्स के मुताबिक वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट पेड्स, लेकिन आज भी लेता नहीं फीस में. हाँ, ओके. ए शरारत होने वाली है, इन्हें पता नहीं कि क्या हालत होने वाली है. निशाना मेरा कभी चूका नहीं, कृष्णा है साथ मेरे, महाभारत होने वाली है. राइट.
So he called himself Arjun.
Correct. Krishna. वाह वाह वाह. Okay. Then थोड़ी बुद्धि गरम, करवाना लियो गुड्डी गरम.
What is goody? Buddhi.
Everything you don't understand is like.
Oh, it's terrible. Okay, I will not ask.
Okay. पीरागढ़ी के फ्लाईओवर जैसे हाई वेस्ट, दिल्ली के लौंडे हम हैं परम भाई. Yes.
What does that mean? Again, I'm
पीरागढ़ी तो जगह है. पीरागढ़ी तो जगह है, ठीक है. पीरागढ़ी इज वन वेरी शेडी एरिया बेसिकली. एंड हाँ, और वहां पे आई एम प्रीटी श्योर लोग जाके हाई होते होंगे. सो लाइक एंड इट इज आल्सो द एरिया इज आल्सो लाइक. सो पीरागढ़ी के फ्लाईओवर जैसे.
It's in West Delhi.
It's in the west. Yeah, it's in West Delhi. So I also don't know Delhi much. हाँ, okay.
I kind of know where certain things are on the map. But Delhi, okay, now what does this line mean?
दिल्ली के लौंडे हम हैं. This is just one flex line के like
no, the
we are whatever.
The second
one is an abuse. Then is कि उसकी फरम भाई like you know like don't mess with us, we are the shits. Like वैसे वाला feel. But उसका हिंदी.
So basically हम दिल्ली के लौंडे we are complete.
Yeah. So
लौंडे basically.
Yes, and the whole feel is like don't mess with us, we're the shits. That's the feel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. When I roll up, start a lot of gang signs, everybody knows. When I roll up, shisha niche puri night, pure night.
So nice. I think Krishna's verse was more straightforward than Badshah's in this one.
Yeah.
He killed it on the hook for sure, and the singing bit. But I think they decided when they came together that I don't know, maybe they did. I'm just guessing that
let's shine Badshah. Let's get him into the whole hip hop.
No, rap I'm thinking. Stream. I'm thinking that Krishna is known for his lyrical, double, triple, quadruple entendres and all the references and metaphors and all of that. Badshah is known for his commercial, easy to understand raps, but more about the commercial angle and the fact that he sings the hooks and all of that. So I think they decided to reverse the roles and do what the other one does usually.
Very nice.
Because they're like, let's surprise everyone. Yeah, because imagine you're getting together and you're like, kya kare, ek saath collab karna hai, and then he's like,
and it's
do
expected.
What I do normally, and I'll do what you do.
I love it. If that is the thought behind it, wow.
Yeah.
Nahi bhi hai to ab wo thought ban gaya hai, but it's really nice.
I mean, it sounds like that was a thought to me at least. So I don't know. And whatever reference we didn't get, please tell us in the comments. We don't know everything.
We don't know anything. Just all the abuses wale references थोड़े समझाने पड़ते हैं, बाकी सारे हाँ. And I'm sure there are so many underlayers which we have kind of missed also.
Yeah. A lot of these words, like I don't know, buddhi, and I don't know. I don't know this. What do you call it? Kanpad,
Well,
kanpad, and dard में जैसे dard में. I don't know these words.
dard is
I just
jawline, your dard, like gums.
it's a oh
Yeah. So how when
oh
over
okay,
here the
now it
thing
makes
is,
sense. So
huh?
anyway, so that some words I didn't understand, but ठीक है, all good. What
Yes.
is you have to decode. Okay, so what is your final verdict on the song?
My final verdict is I like it. I really like this song. I like the fact that they've collaborated together, and really like Badshah doing this whole. Actually, I like Badshah in the whole rap styles. Like I'm yeah, like his commercial stuff. I mean, I like it. It's catchy. One sings and dances to it once in a while. It's nice. Badal Shah. So like whenever that happens, a certain quality milegi of commercial music. So if you feel like that, and if you go to a party and everything, you can't ignore it. You can't avoid it. Like it's impossible. And for a fact, जब dance वांस करना होता है तो बादशाह के गानों पे ही मजा आता है. When you have to do raunch moves and go like all crazy and all, so then yeah. So, but when it comes to the whole, it's a fact. And but when it comes to the whole, like the rap side of it, and like seriously rapping and talking and like hitting bars and like spitting stuff, I think this was a very good introduction for me to hear Badshah doing this. I've not heard Badshah do this ever before. Like you said, that he gives very commercial raps, which are like more chill. But this is like Krishna zone, like, so Krishna zone type raps. So it's interesting. And I want to, and he said, अब महाभारत होगी तो मतलब it'll be interesting to watch कि अगर वो और गाने release, Badshah comes in with more songs which are more hardcore rap. It'll be fun.
Yeah. So I think
Yeah.
for me, on as a whole, I like that they decided to switch their roles in the song. At least that's what I got out of it. That
Yeah.
it was a conscious decision to do that.
Yeah.
So we got to see a different side to Krishna. But as
Yeah.
a whole, for me, the track was again about flexing and I'm here and I've arrived and that whole thing. So I didn't hate it. I liked it. The song's definitely a vibe and all of that. But I want to see. I want to see a different like I want to see lyrics around some different theme now from Krishna, at least from the Still Here album. So I have hopes. I have hopes. This is only the second track
Yeah.
from the album that he's dropped. But that's my personal thing only. And as far as Badsha goes, I've been scarred for too long because as the music curator and as the programmer, I've had to listen to enough commercial stuff with headphones on from
Yeah.
8 hours a day.
And you used to handle labels also. You used to handle artists. You used to handle, like, I mean, come on, you were heading a radio station. So in Delhi, in fact, no less.
Yeah.
So it's
But
like,
so beyond all those years of programming for music, I've had to, even the so a lot of the commercial songs, if lyrics Maddie and I wouldn't like, I wouldn't approve them to go on air. But otherwise, also the like you said, the party songs and all the big hits, they had to go on air. And I've heard them too much. So for
you're
me,
burnt out.
I'm burnt out and like mentally, my ears are scarred. So even in the comments when Maddie and I have in earlier videos we've said that that's not music we necessarily listen to on our own. People have recommended in the comments कि नहीं आपको बादशाह के non commercial album और गाने सुनने चाहिए and that I'm just like I think I'll listen to something else.
Association is too strong.
Association is too strong.
Yeah.
Nothing
Yeah.
personal against him. I'm sure he's like he's got a different side to him. I just haven't felt the need to get to it. But going by this track, yes, he's got layers to him that one can see he brings out when he needs to. So props to him.
And no one can deny the numbers. Like no one can deny, because when you do make music, it's like one side is the art and the other side are the numbers. And like he's himself said that Forbes list mein like naam hai to aapko kya matlab, nobody can argue with that na, kya bolenge aage.
Yeah, but the commercial stuff is definitely to this day not my vibe, so that's not stuff I can listen to. So in that aspect I feel like Raftaar sort of balances things well, when it comes to his commercial and his lyrical stuff. But oh well, each artist is his own person, and this is where I'll end my monologue. So tell us what we missed from the lyrics, and tell us if you like the song or not. It's definitely a vibe and can go, I think drive time pe it can easily play na radio pe
आराम से but इसके अंदर हाँ मतलब कुछ beeps डालने पड़ेंगे, beep
हाँ,
beep beep
but I
करके
think out loud
take
हाँ
your edit.
एक दो words हाँ एक दो words most of them they beep themselves but ठीक
Most
है
of it is undercurrent. समझा तो समझा, नहीं समझा तो okay मेरा क्या है. Like, you know, half
like
the
me
lyrics are like that.
like me I didn't get half the word but okay thank you guys and hope you enjoyed this we'll see you in the next one bye
Bye.